Welcome to week 11. Last week we designed the space. This week we'll fill it with equipment. Equipment decisions significantly impact member safety, satisfaction, and your budget. Quality equipment lasts longer, requires less maintenance, provides better user experience, and reduces injury risk. Cheap equipment is expensive in the long run. So chapter 7 of the ACSM book guides us through several things, but on the screen here I have standards and guidelines, again, for health and fitness facility equipment. I'm not going to read all that. You can read that on your own, but this chapter provides us guides for selection criteria for various equipment types, placement for safety and flow, preventative maintenance systems, inspection protocols, and placing and replacement planning. So with cardiovascular equipment, our primary types of equipment are treadmills, most popular, the highest injury potential, ellipticals, stationary bikes, stair climbers, rowing machines, and other specialized cardio equipment. Consider members' demographics, preferences, and space when selecting these. Strength training equipment, we have multiple types. We have selectorized machines. These are easy to use, safe for beginner, limited functional movement. Free weights, versatile, functional, require instruction and spotters. Plate-loaded machines, these have a hybrid approach. Functional training with the cables, suspension systems, and plyometric equipment, and body weight stations, pull-up bars, dips, stations, etc. Balance equipment types based on your member population and program philosophy. When we select equipment, we evaluate it on the following areas. Safety features. Do they have the proper design, stability, and user protection in mind? Durability. We want to get commercial grade construction and want to know what the warranty coverage is like. Adjustability. Does it accommodate to various body sizes? Ease of use. Is it intuitive to operate? Does it provide clear instructions? Maintenance requirements. Are the parts available? Do you have service contracts? Cost. Initial purchase plus lifetime maintenance. That's the thing you have to take into the idea of cost. It's not just the upfront cost, it's what's the maintenance going to be like. Placement principles. Strategic placement ensures safety and optimal use. Group similar equipment types allow recommended clearances. Remember the ACSM standards. Position for supervision sidelines so that people can see can see what's going on. Consider natural traffic patterns. Separate incompatible activities. Provide emergency access routes and account for storage and maintenance needs. All these are important when we're deciding where to place our equipment. ACSM has spacing standards. They say 3 feet between cardio equipment. We talked last week about the square footage between cardio equipment, so this is also more about that. 3 to 4 feet behind treadmills, so people can get off their treadmills. 3 feet for Olympic lifting platforms. So have an adequate space for the full range of motion on all equipment, and walk away a minimum of 4 to 5 feet wide. More space is always better when possible. So in our textbook we have another table that'll provide when you should do maintenance on your equipment. So our preventative maintenance should be systemic. Maintenance prevents breakdowns and injuries. We should have daily visible inspections, wipe downs, and minor adjustments. Weekly detailed inspection, lubrication, and adjustments. Comprehensive monthly, we should have comprehensive inspections, part replacement as needed, and annually professional servicing and major repairs. And again, that's sort of what's going on here, what the textbook is recommending. So we also want to maintain detailed records on our inspections. So we should have daily inspection checklist, maintenance logs and dates and actions, repair records with parts replaced, out of service tags and procedures, warranty service contract information, and equipment replacement schedules. All this should be easily found either on a cloud service, so we don't have to go finding it. Really, we can locate it very quickly. We have this information in case you get sued. We have legal action against you. You can show that your equipment is up to date. So if equipment is unsafe, we want to immediately tag and remove it from use, document what's wrong, repair or replace that piece of equipment very quickly, verify repair before returning to service, so actually check it out, make sure it's working correctly. Train your staff on identification and reporting. Make sure that the staff understands how to identify broken equipment. Create a replacement schedule and fund it annually. Here's a typical lifespan for equipment. So for cardiovascular, they'll use, again, these are commercial grade, 7 to 10 years with heavy use. Strength equipment, 10 to 15 years. Free weights, 15 to 20 years. Mats and accessories, 3 to 5 years. With technology integration, we always want to be use modern equipment. So touchscreen displays with internet connectivity, workout tracking and data integration, virtual training and classes. That would be nice. Entertainment options. What can they watch while they're working out? And make sure we always have the accessibility features. Consider all these things when you're purchasing new equipment. So with all that in mind, with this week's assignment, you're going to develop an enhanced or equipment management systems thing this week. So you're going to selection criteria for your facility, placement plan with spacing standards, preventative maintenance schedule, inspection documents and procedures, replacement timeline, and budget. Your equipment represents a major investment. Manage it accordingly. So that's your this week's assignment. And then we have the Chapter 7 practice quiz this week. As always, if you have questions, please ask.